In this video, we are going to learn about how to edit a PDF file for 100% free with a free tool. So let's get started. First of all, open a browser and you need a free tool which is JOPDF. Just download and install this app. It's very easy and simple process. After installing, you can open this JOPDF and now click to edit PDF. Select a PDF file which one you want to edit. Like I want to edit this one. Now you can edit, you can change something from your PDF file. Like this. You can change anything from this. So that's it. I think this video will help you to understand how to edit a PDF file using JOPDF. So if you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.